In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a call on Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or just haven't used its calling feature before, you'll find this guide clear and straightforward to follow. So let's dive in and get started. To begin, you'll need to navigate to Slack's website. It's the central hub for communication and productivity, bringing your work tools and conversations together in one place. Once on the site, locate the option to sign in. If you have a Google account linked to your Slack workspace, you can streamline the login process by selecting Sign In with Google. This is a secure way to access all your workspaces swiftly without the hassle of remembering multiple passwords. After logging in, you'll be taken directly to your Slack dashboard. Consider this your command center. It's where all your channels, messages, and notifications live. From here, you can access any of your workspaces or messages effortlessly. Next, let's focus on finding a specific channel where you want to initiate a call. Channels are essentially conversation threads dedicated to specific topics, projects, or teams. Click on the chosen channel. This will open up the conversation view for that channel, giving you a clear view of all ongoing discussions. As you look at the channel interface, locate the More Options button. Clicking this will reveal additional functionalities available within the channel, one of which is the ability to start a Slack call known as a huddle. Huddles are audio conversations that enable real-time communication, perfect for quick check-ins or collaborative discussions without the formalities of a traditional meeting. Now click on Start Huddle. By doing this, you kickstart an audio conversation that any member of the channel can join. It's a seamless way to connect with your team without distractions from outside noise or interruptions. Huddles offer flexibility and ease, fostering an environment for impromptu collaboration or thorough discussions. And there you have it. Using Slack's call feature is as easy as that. By following these steps, you've learned how to navigate from signing in to engaging in a productive huddle with your team. Remember, effective communication is key, and using Slack's tools to their full potential can help you maintain a smooth, collaborative workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Stay tuned for more straightforward tutorials on harnessing the power of digital tools in your everyday work life.